highs in the upper 90s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 107. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Severe thunderstorm watch number 672, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parish: Madison, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Issaquah, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch wind winds are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here's your forecast for the Jackson counties through 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Valandale, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and penny-size hail.
Come on.
Source, radar indicated.
Spit that's the warning.
Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. The strong thunderstorm will be near Panther-Burn, Grace,
Yazoo City,
and Woodhuma around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I don't know why they take.
If outdoors, consider seeking shelter
It's
inside
quite a
the
bit
building.
boring, but geez.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North.
There we go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sunflower County in northwestern Mississippi, west central Holding County in central Mississippi, southeastern Washington County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Yazoo County in central Mississippi, north central Issaquah County in west central Mississippi, Humphreys County in central Mississippi, Sharkey County in west central Mississippi, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anguilla, or 10 miles northeast of Rowling Fork, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Louise around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Holly Bluff around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Yazoo City around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather. Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Holmes County in central Mississippi, southwestern Lafleur County in north central Mississippi, north central Yazoo County in central Mississippi, northeastern Humphreys County in central Mississippi, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Belzoni, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my gosh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That's not good.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Thornton around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Chula around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tullarville and Howard around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Eden and Coxburg around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm